Hi, I'm Xavier Murphy, the founder of Jamaicans.com. We're here at the Reggae Falls. Join us as we climb the Reggae Falls. Alright, so this is Andre. Andre, say hi to the people. Andre is the one that's going to be taking us to the top of Reggae Falls. Now we're at the top of Reggae Falls, thanks to this man here, Andre, the best tour guide at Reggae Falls. He took us through the pipes and through everything to get us up there. See you guys here.
So it was good, it was what you expected?
Yes.
Happy?
Yep, and I'm happy I was able to get to the top.